Hey everyone, good morning. It is 7 a.m. and it is October, so I'm getting into the Halloween spirit and I am decorating the whole house. So today I'm going to be showing you around the house. Some of the Halloween decor is already out and some I still need to put out. There's a lot of decorating that I need to do because at the end of the month, I'm actually going to be hosting a huge Halloween party, and when that date gets closer, I'm going to be adding more lights and cobwebs to the exterior and interior of the house, but hopefully today I just get the rest of the interior stuff done and I'll show you what I got going on. And make sure to watch till the end of the video because I need help picking Cookie's Halloween costume. She's gonna be putting on, I think, a little dog fashion show for us. It's gonna be positively adorable. If you like these vlogs, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to show support, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video because I am vlogging more and I want to take you along with me on my journey. Alright, let's get started, Miss Cookie. So over here I've started to decorate the stairway with some black gauze. I bought a bunch of it. It's in all different lengths. Some of it's 6 foot, some of it's 12 foot. Look how big these are. I mean, this is like fashion too. Also, I'm still deciding my Halloween costume. I've narrowed it down, but if this was white, I could be a ghost. You just put it over your head. How easy would that be? I don't even think you have to cut out eye holes because you can see right through it. And maybe at night this would be more scary, like, ooh. Over here, this is just a small fraction of my pumpkin collection. I think I'm gonna put these in the front yard to like light the path to the house for the party, and then a ton of spider webs. And then for lighting, I have a bunch of these orange fairy lights, which I like to hang through the like creepy branches I have in the house. I also have a bunch of black candles. During Halloween, I like to replace all of the white tea light candles in my house with the black candles. Then over here on the entryway console, I have some of my Halloween favorites. These are my favorite black spooky branch trees. I love them because they make the place feel creepy, but not too scary. I like Disney scary. So this is more my vibe for Halloween. These cute little pumpkins that I have throughout the house, they have a little battery at the bottom so that you can turn all the lights on and you don't have to worry about things burning down. And this is Halloween Hedgehog. I found him at Paper Source. I saw him and I was like, oh, you're coming home with me. Cookie, this is not a chew toy. We've gone over this. Underneath the console, this is my trick-or-treat Halloween candy bucket. It is currently empty right now, but I do have some candies right here in this little cauldron. I found this little cauldron at Michael's, and I found these cool little like crow's feet at World Market, and these creepy branches, I have a bunch of them. I have like centerpieces, trees, and wreaths. They're all from Crate and Barrel. I love it. It came in a set and I love all of their pieces. You may also notice that I love cauldrons. I don't know what my cauldron count is, but I have a lot. Let's count. 1 cauldron, 2 cauldron, 3 cauldron. I also fill that up with candy so that when I have a big party, everyone who has a sweet tooth can get a yummy snack. We'll keep an eye out for any more cauldrons as we go through the house. This is the main bathroom downstairs. I haven't finished decorating. I've just started, but I put 2 black candelabras with black candles, some light up pumpkins, and this cute little skull. Look at this little thing. See no evil, fear no evil, speak no evil. But with skeletons. My first favorite. Oh my gosh, I love when it's fall because all the fall candles come out, and this is one of my favorite ones. This candle is by Makers of Wax and Goods. It's a black candle. It smells exactly like pumpkin spice. It smells so good. And watch out, we've got spooky spiders. These actually have made me jump because I forgot that I put them out and I was like, oh, okay, no, we're good. I'm just kidding, they're plastic. Another spooky tree, as you can see. I love these things. I have a copy of Hocus Pocus. I'm giving this to one of my friends because one of my friends has never seen this movie and it is my all-time favorite movie ever made. I've already watched this movie twice this month. I have it on Google Play. I've also got my black Halloween pillows out. I'm really looking for an orange one, but I haven't found one that I really loved yet. And this trick-or-treat pillow is from Mary and Edgar, and I also have the matching one that says, boo! on the front. I think that one's outside right now. It looks like a natural weave, but it's really soft. It's not itchy or pokey or scratchy. On the mantle, I decorated with lower decoration so it wouldn't block the TV because I love watching Halloween movies and holiday movies, so I never like to put decor over the TV, but I've got some like magic potion books over here, fuzzy crows, these really cool black candles, and some more crows. Over here on the bookshelf, I've mixed in some spooky pictures. So there's real life pictures, and then there's these. I found these at Michael's this year, and they're so cool. At one angle, it looks like a classic photo, and then you walk by or you turn and spooky, spooky, spooky. And then we also have a creepy gentleman up here who does the same thing. I am nowhere near done decorating in the kitchen, but let me show you what I have so far. I've got to change my white candles for my black candles. This is the little dog station. This is where Cookie and my sister's dog Henry eat. So by their dog bowls, I found this really cute, it's a French bulldog skeleton. Cookie, what's he? What's this? Let's just switch these out right now. So every Halloween season, I replace the white candles with black candles. Ro, do these candelabras just come out for Halloween? And the answer is no. These candelabras, I actually keep them downstairs because Christmas, the power went out. There was no lights. We were in the middle of a board game. No one wanted to go to bed. We were having a great time. So I just pulled these out of the closet and we finished that board game during the Christmas season by candlelight. It was awesome. I'm gonna put these white candles back in here and then I'm gonna show you the rest of what I got going on in the kitchen. All right, so over here I have a lot of work still to do, and boom, cauldron number 4. I have a bunch of candy jars. Some of them I already owned and then some of them I got from Michael's, and I'm gonna set up a candy bar for this epic Halloween party, so that's on my to-do list. Over here I've assembled 2 gingerbread houses for an upcoming video. I've always decorated gingerbread houses for Christmas, but I've never done it for Halloween, so this is my first creepy gingerbread house. Then over on the kitchen counter I've got some more pumpkins and potions and spell books. Oh my! There's pumpkins next to my new cookbook. I keep this in the kitchen because I'm baking recipes and making videos from the cookbook, so it's nice to have it handy. And over here, boom! Another cauldron! Is this cauldron number 5?
Yep.
This is my 5th cauldron. Some would say maybe I have a problem, but I don't really care. I've got some little potions. My sister Mo and I made these. We like dyed water and we put it in here. And oh my gosh, I'm giving these out to my friends. I'm so excited. But at World Market, I found Cabernet Sauvignon. It's vampire wine. They come with little capes on them. So that's most of the stuff that I have inside. I'm still working on decorating today, but let me show you what I have going on outside. Come to the backyard. One of the things I really wanted to have this year is to have legit hay bales, like out of the movie. So I called a local farmer and they delivered. I have a bunch in the backyard and some in the front yard. I actually wanted to do a hay maze. I didn't know how to build a maze. Maybe next year. This may be next year's video. I may make a hay maze in my backyard on the sports court. That may happen. Here's the outdoor decor. Out here we have a little bit of seating, and there's the second pillow by Mary and Edgar. And then over here, pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins. Some of them are plug-in pumpkins, electrical pumpkins, and some of them are real. In the backyard, there's currently 2 stacks of hay bales. We have 3 over here. I propped them up to look like fall vibes, and I love them. And then over here, we have another one, and these are a bunch of little real pumpkins all the way around. And at night, the jack-o'-lanterns will glow because they're plugged in with an extension cord in the back. And then this hill is the hill that I'm turning into a cemetery today. I'm hoping to rent a bunch of fog machines, and it's gonna be like a creepy cemetery hill coming down. Maybe a dance floor. I'm getting ideas. Things are happening. So these little tombstones didn't have stakes at the bottom, so I had to glue them in there and put like skewers, like food skewers in there, and I'm hoping this will work. But these ones have stakes already pre-made into them. Come on, let's go. Let's put one. Oh. This hill is actually really steep, so I better be careful. Cool. I'm just gonna keep doing this to the rest of the hill. Gotta cover it with tombstones. Cookie is ready. It is now time for a dog Halloween fashion show. I'm gonna need your guys' help on picking Cookie's Halloween costume this year because I may have gone a little overboard, a little ridiculous, but I found all of these cute costumes. So to decide, Cookie, would you be willing to do a doggy fashion show? Oh, she's excited. Some dogs don't like putting on like clothes and outfits, but Cookie loves it. When I put something on her, whether it's like a sweater or a costume, she kind of like struts a little. And I'm like, hey. Let's do this one first. Oh, it's too small. Oh no, Cookie. You are a sturdy girl. Oh, thank you for the kisses. Okay, let's go model it over here. Come on, let's go model it.
She shook it off.
Oh no, Cookie. See if I loosen it here. This is Cookie as a racehorse, lucky number 7. Well, it doesn't make the best racehorse though because she just likes to sit here and snooze. So if you were betting on lucky number 7, you pretty much will lose all of your money. Unless you were betting that she'd come in last place, then you'd probably be right. I know a way to get her going and get her running. All right, let's test this costume out because on Halloween night, she's gonna be running around having fun. We need to make sure it stays on. All right, Cookie, here's the ball. On your mark, get set. Go, 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 off to the races. Oh, jeez. Well, she's got the ball.
Cookie, where's your jockey? Oh no, he face planted.
This one's maybe not the best. Come on. Next up, we have Wonder Woman. Wonder Cookie. Okay, we've got a little headband and this little dress. Let's put this little dress on. Is this backwards? What the heck's going on here? It's attached here. Oh my gosh, Cookie. Oh, okay. It's itchy, huh? All right, she doesn't really love the material. Comment down below if Wonder Cookie is your favorite costume. All right, we have another one. Oh my gosh, my little French bulldog is gonna be a little piece of French toast. This may be the winner. Oh my gosh, you're so cute in it. The material's really stretchy, lots of room. Oh, your little scarf. Oh, there we go. And it came with a beret. You may not love this, Cookie, but let's give it a go and just see. Oh, look at your little French beret. If you want to see Cookie as a French toast this year, vote costume number 3 in the comments. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. I just can't. Cookie. Next up, we have a lumberjack. This is a costume that you just wear in the front. Okay, so we gotta put your feet in first. I know, this is gonna be a funny one. This is gonna be a funny one. If you'd like to see Cookie as a lumberjack this year, put a number 4 in the comments. Some could say this costume is bad to the bone. We've got a little prisoner, little doggy jailbird costume. I thought it was really funny. It reminded me of those like pet shaming memes. You can fill in whatever charge is down here. I'm gonna leave it open because Cookie's such a good dog. She doesn't really do a lot. You could put face slicker on here, but also I kind of like it. Give it a go. Okay. Oh, nice, Cookie. Oh, look at that face. She looks depressed in this outfit. She looks like she is in jail. Oh my gosh, look how sad. Cookie, is this your least favorite? If you'd like Cookie to dress as a bad pet this year, comment number 5. Cookie, even though you don't like this outfit very much, you do match the outdoor pillows, so you kind of fit in. All right, Cookie, we've got some food-themed Halloween costumes, just like that. And look at that, you're a little piece of takeout. If you'd like Cookie to be a little piece of takeout, vote number 6. The next costume is a cow. On the underside, it has a velcroed on udders. Oh my gosh, and this was a small medium, and this is huge on you. Okay, we're eating it. No, it goes here. Yeah. There. All your udders are falling off. Look at your udders. You're so cute. Look at you. Your little moo-moo cow. If you'd like to see Cookie as a moo-moo cow, vote 7. You're a hot mess. Next up, we have a pumpkin hoodie. It's a costume that says, I'm trying for Halloween, but not too hard. Miss Cookie, you are so cute. You fit right in with all those other little pumpkins. For the pumpkin hoodie, vote number 8. This hoodie is so cute on her anyways. I might just have to keep it. Next up is very simple. It's a harness, but it's a Halloween butterfly. Cookie, come try this on. What do you think? I think she really likes this one because it's actually a harness and she can like move around in it and it's not a lot of material. Cookie, let's see you move. Yes. Ready? Move a little butterfly. This costume works way better than the lucky number 7. Good girl. If you are a fan of Halloween Butterfly, vote number 9. Next costume is a little bumblebee. This was actually her last year's Halloween costume and it's for a 1-year-old, a human baby, but it fits Cookie perfectly. This is one of my favorite things is watching her run around in this costume. Go get it! Oh no! Oh no, Cookie, don't jump in. I'll get it. I'll get it. Come on. Vote number 10 for this little busy bee. I've got a classic over here, a hot dog costume. Hot dog, Cookie, you're looking good. Perhaps the hot dog costume is a little too hot. If you want a hot dog for Halloween, vote 11. Last but not least, we have a Wookiee costume. I call this Cookie the Wookiee. Legging. One more, I promise. Oh, good girl. And there you have it, Cookie the Wookiee. Oh, and she's a tired Wookiee. It's been a long day, Cookie. This is the last costume. Last but not least, vote 12 for Cookie the Wookiee. All right, that does it for this ridiculous Halloween vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show the channel support, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. I'm gonna be staying up pretty late tonight. I'm gonna try to get some more decorating in before the sun goes down. I really want this skeleton to sit on the diving board. I'm not sure if I can pull it off, but we shall try. If you want to see any other cool videos, you can click up here or up here. And we also need to figure out a name for this skeleton. I was thinking Bob, but if you have any other better ideas than that, please let me know. I don't know what just happened. Bob. It's great.